How to sign into PNC Bank online. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, you need to search for PNC Bank. It will land you on this page. Scroll down, and tons of different sites will be visible to you. Head over to the very first one. It will land you on the official page of PNC. Tap on Sign On at the top right corner of the screen. It will land you on the page where you'll be able to sign into your account. First of all, enter your user ID and then enter your password of your account. Once you have entered the login credentials, tap on Sign On. After that, you will be successfully signed into your PNC Bank account. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.